Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode, I'm gonna unboxing some of the battery module used accessories. So first one, I'm having this steel build, which you're gonna use to fix or hold the prismatic battery. So let me just give you a closer look. This will be the connection point, and then this will be the shrink tube over here. There's another hole. So we're actually using the 201, this kind of like steel. Okay, so for this steel build is actually used for 1P10S and also for 2P5S. So let's measure this. Oh, and also for the steel build, it can be customized. So let's see. This will be, I think this around 772.5 millimeters for the lens over here. And then let's measure for the width from this 175. Yeah, so that will be like around 19 millimeters over here. This will be 8 millimeters for this point over here, like the corner. This one, the corner, that will be 8 millimeters. Okay, so that's will be for our first product, the steel build. And then this is the packaging we're gonna ship to our client. So all of this box, inside the box, they will have plastic bag, and then each bag will have like 2 steel built inside. So inside of this has like 20 steel built. So we will close the box and then ship. Now let's unboxing for the next one. That will be the end plate. So for the end plate, where you're gonna install the end plate at the battery module, like the two ends. So that's why we're calling this end plate. So this end plate is actually will work perfectly with the steel build. This kind of like a cloth or slot over here. It will matching for the steel build. So, and also for you can see the corner is perfectly matching over here. The corner, yes. Okay, so now is the measure time. Over here, that will be 169. That will be for the whites. From 10, that will be 19.5. Okay, so that will be for the end plate. And then we also came along with this outlet bracket. This bracket can be perfectly just installed like this. So this will be the end plate packaging, and then we will have end plate wrapping with this plastic, and then we'll have this inside of this bag. And then also inside of this, we'll have the outlet brackets is matching with this end plate. And then when this finished, we'll keep this box and then start to ship to our clients. Okay, so that will be the second one for end plate. For next one, or for the last one, that will be insulator. So for insulator, this, let me give you a better look. This well, actually, it's pretty thin compared to another glue over here. This one is actually pretty thin. It's just like really thin layer. It also can be like adhesive over here. See? It's pretty sticky. So yes, that's not open for now. So that will be how you install the insulator between the end plate and the cell. But we also have another one that will be between the cell to cell. So for this one, that will be two-side adhesive. Okay, so two sides is pretty sticky over here, where you can applying this insulator between the cell. So yeah, so those will be two parts of the insulator. One is between cell and end plate. Another one is between cell to cell. So yeah, so I think, oh, and also besides for the one that I just showed, we also have this kind of CCS compared to this one. So it's kind of like different material. You can feel this is soft and this is hard. So this will be our packaging, and then for this one, this will be the insulator, and then we will have this inside of the plastic bag. Then this one will be another insulator, and then this you will use for the cell. Yeah, so that will be for the unboxing for today. If you're interested in our accessory, or if you want to get more information of our laser welding machine or battery pack assembly line, please feel free to reach out to me by this our headquarters official website, and then this will be my address, and this will be my email address, this will be my WhatsApp information. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next episode. Bye.